Looking stiff or awkward on camera is one of the biggest concerns my clients have, and it's a totally fair point. So I put together a list of 5 things to avoid during your headshot session. As a full-time headshot photographer for over a decade, coaching my clients into a comfortable and natural pose is one of the best parts of my job. If you'd like a full crash course on preparing for your headshot session, check out my course, The Headshot Maximizer. There, I've packed all my best tips and tricks into one place. The course even covers how to find a headshot photographer if you're not in Detroit. Check out the link in the description. So let's jump in. First, remember when your grandma told you to stand up straight, chin up, shoulders back? Forget that. It doesn't work on camera unless you're trying to show off your neck. And I haven't had a client yet that's wanted to do that. A great headshot emphasizes your eyes and facial features. You can't do that if your chin is high, period. This leads to the second point. No selfie poses with your camera high above your eye line, like this. While this is fun for a selfie, for a professional image, you've just put yourself in a very non-dominant position. Your headshot should be more hero shot than selfie. Bringing your chin down and pushing your forehead out will correct these 2 mistakes. Remember to make sure the camera is no higher than your eye line. Next up, avoid the super cheesy smile. Forcing a huge smile with your jaw clenched and your gums showing feels awkward because it is. I also think this look comes off as too eager. If you're a young professional, it'll make you look even younger. Think high school or middle school yearbook photo. A great headshot photographer will guide you through a range of expressions and find that natural smile. It still might feel a little forced to you, but as long as it looks natural, it's perfect. If you're enjoying these tips, please hit that like and subscribe button. That feels cheesy too, but I've still got to say it. Thanks. Next, avoid the straight-on pose. If it's your first headshot or if you're not working with a professional photographer, a straight-on pose with your shoulders square to the camera is tough to pull off without some guidance and proper camera placement. Most people will just look too wide. There's no polite way to say it. Just about everyone looks better and slimmer turned 30 to 45 degrees from the camera. Do remember to turn your head back to the camera for a more direct connection to the viewer, though. Finally, even if you're worried about your eyes looking a little squinty, don't force your eyes wide open. On the unnatural looking scale, this is an 11 out of 10. The fact is, we just don't notice a little squint on smiling faces. We only dwell on it in our own image. Mechanically, we all squint a little when smiling or laughing, and that's totally okay. Our brains expect to see this, which is why nobody else will notice it on your photo. So unless you're going for that deer in the headlights headshot, don't force your eyes wide open. There you have it, my top 5 posing and smiling mistakes to avoid for your headshot. Do you have a favorite tip? Let me know in the comments. And remember, if you need more guidance through the whole process, check out my course in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.